What if I told you privacy coins are exploding 28% overnight, while a blockchain that doesn't even exist is valued at 14 billion? That's exactly what's happening right now in crypto. And today's Crypto Pulse will break down this massive opportunity before everyone else catches on. Hey, crypto family, Alex here from Moonward Capital with your twice daily Crypto Pulse update. If you're watching this, you're already ahead of 99% of investors because you're about to discover why privacy coins are suddenly rocketing, why the Monad airdrop is creating a $14 billion frenzy, and exactly how to position yourself for what happens next. Let's dive straight into today's market indicators. Bitcoin's consolidating at $121,305, down just 0.34% as it holds strong near all-time highs. Ethereum's practically flat at 4,329, up 0.20%. But the real action isn't in the majors, it's in these explosive sectors. Privacy coins up a massive 28.23%, SocialFi surging 20.38%, NFTs climbing 16.94%. The Fear and Greed Index has strengthened to 56.56, showing growing market confidence despite mixed signals. The biggest story today is the absolute explosion in privacy coins. Zcash has rocketed 28% overnight to 234s, leading a massive privacy sector rotation with record volume of $1.47 billion. This isn't just another random pump. This is institutional validation through the Grayscale Trust, providing regulated access to privacy technology. Privacy coin mindshare has surged 53% overnight from 3.33% to 5.8%, showing massive capital flows into this previously overlooked sector. Why is this happening now? Institutions are finally recognizing that regulated privacy isn't an oxymoron. It's the future of finance. The Ethereum Foundation has deployed a 47-expert privacy cluster developing quantum-resistant privacy infrastructure. Railgun has exploded 44% on a zero-knowledge breakthrough for institutional-grade private multisig wallets. On the complete opposite end of the spectrum, we're seeing absolute mania around Tuesday's Monad airdrop. The claim portal opens October 14th and pre-market trading on Hyperliquid is valuing Monad at an incredible $12 to $14 billion, despite having no working mainnet. This could potentially be the largest airdrop of 2025, creating a speculation frenzy as traders position ahead of Tuesday's distribution. The critical question is, will Monad's actual launch support this massive $14 billion speculation, or are we heading for a reality check? So how should you position yourself with these conflicting signals? We're seeing a fascinating divergence where privacy infrastructure is gaining legitimate institutional adoption. Pre-launch speculation is reaching dangerous extremes. Utility-driven tokens like Zora are capturing mainstream adoption, up 109% on Robinhood listing. Smart money is flowing toward regulated privacy infrastructure with real institutional validation, while avoiding extreme pre-launch speculation without product delivery. If you're trading the privacy sector, watch for ZE holding above $200 as key validation of this institutional trend. For Monad, Tuesday's airdrop will be the ultimate reality check against that $14 billion pre-market valuation. If you found this Crypto Pulse valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for our twice daily updates that keep you ahead of market movements. Drop a comment below. Are you backing the privacy renaissance, jumping into the Monad airdrop, or staying cautious with this extreme speculation? This has been Alex with Moonward Capital's Crypto Pulse. Stay ahead of the crowd, and I'll see you in our next update. Remember, while others follow the hype, we follow the smart money.